Alternate day fasting, ADF, has emerged as a popular dietary approach, captivating the interest of health enthusiasts and researchers alike. Unlike traditional calorie restriction methods, ADF involves alternating between periods of regular eating and fasting, with some variations allowing for limited calorie intake on fasting days. This fasting regimen has garnered attention for its potential to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even extend lifespan. Statistics from the National Institutes of Health indicate that over 30% of adults in the United States are obese, highlighting the urgent need for effective weight management strategies. Amidst this backdrop, ADF has gained traction as a promising option for those seeking sustainable and science-backed methods to shed excess pounds and improve overall health. One of the most common forms of ADF is the 5-2 method, which entails eating normally for 5 days of the week and significantly reducing calorie intake, typically to around 500 to 600 calories, on 2 non-consecutive fasting days. Another variation is the Eat-Stop-Eat method, where individuals fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. Research published in the journal Cell Metabolism suggests that ADF can lead to significant weight loss and improvements in metabolic health markers such as insulin sensitivity and cholesterol levels. A study conducted by the University of Illinois found that ADF resulted in an average weight loss of 8% over 8 weeks in obese individuals. ADF has been shown to induce autophagy, a cellular process that removes damaged or dysfunctional components, promoting longevity and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. More fasting tips later in the video, so watch to the end. Also, make sure to check out the links in the description for our most popular recommendations for natural weight loss, detoxing, lowering blood sugar, improving memory, brain health, joint pain, and boosting energy levels. Studies have also suggested that ADF has cognitive benefits, such as improved brain function and protection against neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Despite its potential benefits, ADF may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with certain medical conditions or eating disorders. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on an ADF regimen to ensure safety and efficacy. ADF has been shown to improve metabolic health markers such as insulin sensitivity and blood lipid levels. A study published in Obesity Reviews demonstrated that ADF can reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, known as the bad cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition to its effects on weight and metabolic health, ADF may also have potential anti-aging effects. Research published in Cell Metabolism suggests that intermittent fasting regimens like ADF can activate cellular repair processes and promote longevity by increasing levels of autophagy, a cellular cleansing mechanism. Research conducted on animals published in the journal Cell Metabolism indicates that intermittent fasting can improve brain function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. While alternate day fasting, ADF, offers promising benefits, it's essential to consider potential risks and challenges associated with this dietary approach. Another consideration is the potential impact on physical performance and energy levels. Studies have shown that fasting can temporarily decrease energy levels and impair physical performance, which may affect individuals' ability to engage in regular exercise or perform daily activities optimally. The psychological and emotional effects of ADF should not be overlooked. Restricting food intake on fasting days may lead to feelings of deprivation, irritability, or obsession with food, particularly in individuals predisposed to disordered eating patterns. Research published in the International Journal of Eating Disorders highlights the importance of monitoring for signs of disordered eating behaviors and seeking support if needed. Please subscribe to support the channel and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I'll personally reply to your comment. While some individuals may find ADF to be a manageable and effective dietary approach, others may struggle with the rigidity of fasting days or experience difficulty maintaining the regimen over time. It's crucial for individuals considering ADF to weigh the potential risks and benefits carefully and consult with a healthcare professional before starting. ADF has shown promising effectiveness in various studies, particularly for weight loss and improving metabolic health. Additionally, a study published in the Journal of Obesity found that ADF resulted in a reduction in body fat percentage and improvements in markers of cardiovascular health, such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Practical application of ADF involves adherence to the fasting and feeding periods, which may vary depending on individual preferences and lifestyle factors. Some people find it helpful to schedule fasting days on non-consecutive days of the week to distribute the fasting period more evenly. Others prefer to have a consistent fasting schedule, such as fasting every other day or fasting on specific weekdays. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods during feeding periods is essential to ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients and support overall health. Emphasizing whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help individuals meet their nutritional needs while on an ADF regimen. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those with a history of disordered eating should consult with a healthcare professional before starting ADF. By understanding the practical application of ADF and considering individual needs and preferences, individuals can determine whether this dietary approach aligns with their goals and lifestyle. As ADF gains popularity, it's important to address common questions and misconceptions surrounding this dietary approach. One common concern is about hunger and satiety during fasting periods. Research published in the journal Obesity Reviews suggests that while some individuals may experience increased hunger initially, hunger levels tend to decrease over time as the body adapts to the fasting regimen. Before the last section, make sure to check out the links in the description for natural weight loss, lowering blood sugar, improving memory, brain health, joint pain, increased libido, and boosting energy levels. Additionally, staying hydrated and consuming calorie-free beverages such as water, herbal tea, or black coffee can help curb hunger sensations during fasting periods. Another misconception is that ADF is incompatible with exercise and physical activity. However, studies have shown that individuals can engage in moderate-intensity exercise during fasting periods without compromising performance or muscle mass. Research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition indicates that fasting may even enhance exercise-induced fat oxidation and improve metabolic flexibility over time. Some people believe that ADF is only suitable for certain dietary preferences or lifestyles. However, ADF can be adapted to accommodate various eating patterns, including vegetarian, vegan, or ketogenic diets. Want to increase your energy, strength, focus, and memory naturally? Watch the video above.